Las Vegas, this is NAB Show Live, produced by Broadcast Beat.
Ryan Saddles here with NAB Show Live. We have a special guest. This guy's historic. You've been around for a long time. You've been doing lots of broadcasts. You're a legend. LarryJordan, how you doing, man?
Well, you know, historic almost makes me feel like I'm dead. So
I'm sorry.
Near historic.
Okay, near historic. Very knowledgeable, you've been at the shows for years, and people rely on your information. Talk about what you're doing here.
Well, one of the things that the digital production buzz has been at NAB since 2009, we were the first official podcast at NAB, and now companies like you are running amok, but we started it, all right?
Exactly.
I want all the credit.
Yep.
And what we do is we originate anywhere from 50 to 150 interviews over the 4 days at NAB to give people who aren't here a chance to learn more of what's going on. Now that people like you are traveling the floor and taking my market away and stealing my audience, for which I am not going to forgive you in the least, but what we're doing is we focus on live, so that everything that we do live shows. So you hear right now what's going on. Think of it as a newscast that's focused on what the latest products are. Now the benefit of you walking around is you get to get people in their booths, but we get to put them on the spot, and you have a chance to think on their feet, and the audience hears instantly what's going on. So there's no disintermediation, which I know you remember from your college career.
Yep.
So we don't disintermediate, which I try to work into a sentence as many times as I can. And so it's really, my goal is to help people find work, improve their skills, and keep their clients happy. That's been the goal of my life for the last 20 years.
Excellent. So you do the video interviews, but I know that you do tutorial videos, and that's what's really impressive about what you do, because you've consistently done it for such a long time. I think you're into the thousands of videos at this point.
I'm into the thousands of articles. I'm into the hundreds and hundreds of hours of video, but I haven't hit 1,000 hours of video, but I have hit thousands of movies. So if you say thousands of articles, yes. Thousands of movies, yes, but only hundreds of hours. I don't want to take too many pains upon myself, but we're surrounded by new technology. But if you don't know how to use it, and more importantly, if you don't even know how to start, all you do is you open this up, you look at it and say, I don't understand this. Whereas if somebody takes you by the hand and says, this is how it works, this is how you need to think about it, and I teach you the foundation, then you'll explore on your own because you'll make a success of it. And what happens is way too many people are trying to show the really cool new feature, but they don't show how to get started or how to create that new file. And so we know how to do a really cool feature, but we can't get started. We just drop kick the software or the hardware, or we don't use it, or we feel it's a waste of money. So I've always viewed as the goal of my training is how do you get started successfully and understand how the software thinks, and then from there we can build on that foundation. We can build miracles.
Excellent. Well, LarryJordan, it was an awesome honor to have you here on NAB Show Live and Broadcast Beat Magazine's video coverage of the 2016 NAB Show. Have a great rest of your NAB.
And thank you so much. Take care.